celebrating unity and collective action for a better world. International Human Solidarity Day, observed every year on the 20th of December, highlights the importance of solidarity as a fundamental value in building a fair, peaceful, and sustainable world. Proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 2005, the day encourages nations, organizations, and individuals to work together to eradicate poverty, reduce inequality, and achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. Human solidarity refers to shared responsibility, mutual support, and collective action in addressing global challenges. It goes beyond charity and emphasizes cooperation among nations and communities, especially supporting those who suffer the most from poverty, disease, conflict, and inequality. Solidarity was identified as a core value in the UN Millennium Declaration, recognizing that those who benefit most have a responsibility to assist those who benefit least. To strengthen this principle, the World Solidarity Fund was established in 2002 to support poverty eradication and social development. In 2005, the UN General Assembly officially declared the 20th of December as International Human Solidarity Day through Resolution 60/209. Since its founding, the United Nations has operated on the spirit of solidarity, uniting nations to maintain peace, protect human rights, and promote economic and social development. So, International Human Solidarity Day serves several important purposes. It's a celebration of unity in diversity, and honestly, it's also a reminder for governments to honor their international commitments. This day is a platform to raise awareness about the importance of solidarity, and it's an opportunity to encourage dialogue on how we can achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Most importantly, it's a call to action to launch initiatives for poverty eradication and social inclusion. The theme for this year is Solidarity for Sustainable Development, Uniting Communities for a Shared Future. This theme really emphasizes the crucial role of cooperation in achieving sustainable development, global health equity, and social justice. International Human Solidarity Day is, in fact, closely aligned with several Sustainable Development Goals, like SDG 1, No Poverty, SDG 10, Reduced Inequalities, and SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals. Solidarity, at its core, strengthens global partnerships and ensures that the benefits of development actually reach the most vulnerable populations. So, this day really promotes global unity and shared responsibility. It encourages equitable healthcare and social protection, which is just so crucial. It also supports international cooperation in tackling poverty and inequality. And honestly, it highlights the moral responsibility of resource-rich nations. Plus, it strengthens peace, justice, and strong institutions around the world. Around the world, countries observe the day through seminars, workshops, and awareness campaigns. There are also community development and healthcare initiatives, as well as educational programs and policy discussions. And, of course, social media campaigns play a big role in promoting unity and inclusion. Individuals can really make a difference by volunteering with social and healthcare organizations. You can also advocate for inclusive policies, support global development and health initiatives, and, educate others about human rights and solidarity. International Human Solidarity Day reminds us that global challenges demand collective solutions. In an interconnected world, true progress is only possible when nations and people stand together with compassion, cooperation, and shared responsibility. Observing this day strengthens our commitment to building a healthier, more inclusive, and sustainable future for all.